We're not in it just to make noise, okay? And that's entertaining. This is healthcare. So this isn't a carnival act. I won't name the names of some of these fast food restaurants, but it's not a cheap hamburger here. You want the quality meat, you gotta go to the right butcher. YouTube land or Instagram land or TikTok land, it's not about making noise. It's about being specific. It's about adjusting the right bone at the right time to the right patient from the right doctor. That's the secret sauce. That's the juice. And that's how you help sick people get well. If you want to experience what Chiropractic Sports is about, you know what to do. What does it say? Getting shit done since 1988.